Eve godly seed. That's why she was forgiven. Because of God's justice, Eve must be forgiven. Why? Because she was deceived only when she committed sin. Sin committed under deception or under ignorance or under the lack of understanding is pardonable according to the Bible. Let us read 1 Timothy chapter 1 verse 13, Brother Daniel.
Who was before a blasphemer and a persecutor and injurious, but I obtained mercy because I did it ignorantly in unbelief.
Paul committed the worst crime against God, the worst sin. He said he was before a blasphemer. A blasphemer, if you do it with knowledge of God's law, you will never be forgiven anymore to blaspheme. But Paul was a blasphemer and a persecutor and injurious. But I obtained mercy, he said, because I did it ignorantly in unbelief. He did not understand totally God's law. That's why he was able to blaspheme God, be a persecutor of the true church in the first century, and he caused injuries to Christians. He was a persecutor of the church, and he recommended the death of some Christians, especially Stephen, one of the evangelists of the first century Christian church, was killed under the influence of the apostle Paul when he was not yet an apostle then, a persecutor of the church. But he is explaining to Timothy the God's justice. Even before he was a blasphemer, a persecutor, and injurious, but I obtained mercy because I did it ignorantly in unbelief. It is the case of Eve also. She did it ignorantly because she was deceived. Being deceived means that you are persuaded to do something which you do not understand fully that it is a sin. It happened to Eve because she was deceived by the serpent or Satan. But Adam was not deceived. That's why the weight of the sin that was committed in Eden was put by God unto Adam. Let us read 5:12 of the book of Romans.
Wherefore, as by one man sin entered into the world, and death by sin, and so death passed upon all men, for that all have sinned.
You see, wherefore as by one man sin entered into the world. You see that, Brother Elijah? It is because of Adam. It was imputed to Adam. By one man sin entered into the world. It is not by Eve that sin entered. It is by Adam that sin entered into the world. And so death also entered because of sin. And so death passed upon all men, for that all have sinned. You see, Brother Elijah, the weight of the sin committed in Eden was blamed by God to Adam, not to Eve. If you understand these things, then your question is that, did God forgive them? Yes, God forgave Eve. But the case of Adam, we have to investigate further. Why? Because he was not deceived. He did that sin, he committed that sin willfully with a total understanding of God's law because he was the one who received the law. That's why when the Apostle Paul was explaining it to the first century Christians, he said, By one man sin entered into the world, not by one woman, or not by two